Good morning. It's 2 a.m. So, sumali ako sa Panglao Foundation Run. It's my day off sa work. So, can't you see? Wala pa akong tulog. Pero okay lang yan. Tara, samahan nyo kami. Mag-warm up muna ako.
Again, maayong buntag and welcome to the Paradise Island of Panglao. Continuation sa warm-up, sunod tuig na pod. Kaya natag-iingon og lighting up the runway for our 21K and 10K runners is our spectacular fireworks display. Thank you so much, Dr. Archive,
So, I think malapit na tayo. Pero, syempre, mag-food trip muna tayo at saka ayusin natin yung buhok natin. Every marathon na sinasalihan ko, kailangan kahit haggard na yung mukha mo, yung buhok mo, okay pa rin. I don't know. I like the light here. Road trip.
Yay! Congrats, ate! Ate ko yan! Ate!
After run, nag-recover kami sa Starbucks. Wow! Wow! Guys, after the Panglao Foundation ride, dumiretso kami Tagbilaran City para mag-Starbucks. I'm with Brit, the malakas one.